that sound boy, calling in the dancehall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Girl, I've been drifting on the lonely sea. I just can't erase all these sad memories. I'm wondering if you ever think about me. Girl, I've I'd like to be with you 24/7. I love you more than I love little children. And still I remain your secret admirer. I guess I'm too shy to express my feeling. I remain your secret admirer. So when will we ever fall in love, girl? I'd like to tell you, girl, just how I feel. Your love is on to me like magnet to steel. But how could you ever know just how I feel? When I never say a word whenever you are near. And still I remain your secret admirer. Girl, I'm too shy to express my feelings.
Just check. Check. One. Well, big up to all our original crew them from Boya. Big up to all our spectator them. Big up to all our people them who love reggae music and love that sound culture. Yeah. About time the whole of we work together, brother. The whole of we have one destination. Nothing different. Only thing different are some dub plate different, but we sound thing where we are doing one destination. So big up to each and every man we're in here. We love sound system. See the young youth here? I him tune that sound here. I will drive 4.5 hours to come up here and listen to it. So the man the better than the man. And Sepa, manners as an elder, respect. I mean, respect people who respect me, you know. Elder, manners, new wave, long time manners. And so me do my thing. Right about now, we're going to play one more song and make new wave. We're going to play one more song and boom, bang, 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 bang. Cheers, big up yourself. Everything good. Big up all man and man when they come for hear reggae music and all these things. Now I hear show, you know, I you set that up here, so do you think one more song and then next song, see?
sound boy, turning in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.